Hello everybody, welcome to my official YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing our channel here on YouTube or in any of these social media, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that anytime we upload video you will be the first person to see it. You are free to do that. You touch on the subscribe button. Thank you. So in today's topic, I'm going to show you how you can download premium app for free on your mobile phone, and this work in all mobile phone, all type of mobile phone. It work for it. So I'm going to show you the procedure, how you can do it step by step. So you can see here is my screen. You can see here is my screen. You enter your Play Store, your Google Play Store. Then when you have entered your Google Play Store, you will see this premium option here. This option on your Google Play Store, which is a premium. This particular place, when you touch it, any app that is in this particular premium here, when you want to download app or games from this particular place here, you are going to insert your credit card or your online banking. But if you don't want to do that, you want to download the game that are here for free, that is the tutorial that I'm about to show you now. So you follow the step-by-step guide. So I'm going to touch it for you to see. You can see here, you see the first one here, because this is the premium apps and game. Then you can see it here. The first one here is 1,800, while the other one here is 999. Then the other one here is 1,800. You can see this one here 200. You see this one here 2,042. Then there are many games, thousands, which is billions of games that are here, that when you want to download it, you will insert your credit card or your online banking for you to download the games from here. And not only here, there are also other games apart from Play Store, other apps apart from Play Store that let me type it so that you will see. Okay, this is my Google. You can see it here. This is my Google browser. You can see it here. Then you type download. The first thing that you will first of all type download. After you have typed the download, then you insert the app or the game's name that you want to download. So I want to download that Hitman Sniper, the one that I showed you for the first phrase there. So I will type it Hitman Sniper. Then after you have typed the name of the game, you give space. Then you type P arrow. Then you give space again. You type MOD. Then you put .apk. After you have put .apk, this work for all mobile phone. So you send it. After you have sent it, you see the option here: download Hitman Sniper mode unlimited money for Android phone. So you touch it, the first one, you touch it. After you have touched it, then you scroll it down. You can see it here: download Hitman Sniper unlimited money free on Android or free from Android. So when you see it here, you scroll it down, you see where you see the download here, downloading option. You see this download option here. This is where you are going to download in. When you touch it, it will download automatically without you inserting your credit card or your online banking, and you are going to download it for free here. And this happen to any other apps, any other game that you want to download online for free. But you know that on Play Store or in any other website that they will tell you that you should insert your credit card or your mobile online banking for you to credit the app first before you can buy it, then you download it again, which is times 2. But in this tutorial, you just do it in a way that you boycott the buying, but you will still download the pro version. So that is how you do it. In this, where the arrow is pointing to now, if I should touch it, it will show download. Then I will now install it on my phone, and it will work well as the way the pro version will also look like. So if you like this video and this is your first time seeing our channel here, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button or on the following button, so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye.